Welcome back to my channel where we bring you the latest and most exciting innovations in luxury, mobility, and outdoor adventure. If you're passionate about compact campers, futuristic travel, and ultra-functional designs, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update from our channel. Let's get into today's feature, the 2026 TrailPod Camper Tricycle, a groundbreaking blend of portability, functionality, and freedom, designed for solo explorers and minimalists who want to hit the road without the burden of a big RV. The 2026 TrailPod isn't just a camper, it's a complete mobile lifestyle solution packed into a three-wheeled, pedal-assisted vehicle. It stands out in the growing market of microcampers by merging e-bike tech with modular design, giving adventurers a smarter and more sustainable way to travel off the grid. Let's start with the design. From the outside, the TrailPod looks like a sleek, futuristic pod on wheels. Its ultra-lightweight frame is made of aircraft-grade aluminum and reinforced composite panels, ensuring durability without sacrificing portability. The aerodynamic shell is not just for looks, it improves ride efficiency by cutting through wind resistance, making your ride smoother and more energy efficient. At the front, the cockpit resembles a hybrid between an e-bike and a velomobile. Riders get a fully enclosed seat with ergonomic padding and an adjustable backrest for long rides. The digital dashboard gives you real-time data like battery level, speed, distance, and even solar input if you've equipped the optional solar roof. Speaking of power, the TrailPod is equipped with a 1000-watt electric motor that assists your pedaling up to 28 miles per hour. It's powered by a removable 48V lithium-ion battery pack with a range of up to 80 kilometers on a full charge, more if you use pedal assist wisely. For those planning longer trips, there's an optional dual battery upgrade that doubles your range. Now let's talk about what makes the TrailPod a camper. At the rear of the tricycle is a compact but cleverly designed living pod that unfolds into a micro-camping setup. When parked, the back of the TrailPod opens like a clamshell, revealing a surprisingly spacious interior that can transform based on your needs. Inside, you'll find a fold-out sleeping platform that accommodates one adult comfortably, or two in a pinch. The mattress is made from high-density memory foam and folds neatly when not in use. There's built-in storage underneath the bed for essentials like clothes, gear, and tools. On the right side, you'll find a small fold-out desk that doubles as a dining table or workspace. It's perfect for digital nomads who want to stay productive on the go. There are USB and 12V outlets inside, powered by the onboard battery system, and a built-in LED light strip provides soft illumination for night use. Now, what about the ride quality? The TrailPod uses a three-wheel configuration for stability, with two wheels at the front and one at the rear. The full suspension system, including a rear shock absorber and front fork suspension, smooths out bumpy roads and trails. Hydraulic disc brakes on all three wheels ensure safe and responsive stopping power. Despite its compact size, the TrailPod handles surprisingly well. The turning radius is tight enough for urban exploration, and the low center of gravity helps maintain balance on uneven terrain. Whether you're cruising through city streets, cycling along coastal roads, or winding through forest trails, this camper trike adapts with ease. For safety, the TrailPod comes with front and rear LED lights, turn indicators, and even a built-in horn. You also get a lockable cabin and GPS tracking for peace of mind when you leave it unattended at a campsite or parking area. Storage is always a concern with small campers, but the TrailPod makes clever use of every inch. External side compartments offer room for extra gear like tools, a foldable chair, or even a compact tent if you're traveling with a friend. And for those who need to bring more, a small cargo trailer can be attached to the rear hitch. The TrailPod is also impressively lightweight, under 120 kilograms fully loaded. That means you can ride it in most bike lanes, take it onto bike-friendly ferries, and even lift it onto small trailers or roof racks when needed. So who is the TrailPod really for? It's perfect for solo travelers, digital nomads, van life enthusiasts looking for something smaller, and even urban dwellers who want a weekend escape vehicle without dealing with van parking or fuel costs. It gives you the freedom to camp wherever your wheels take you without the hassle of a full-sized RV. In terms of pricing, the base model starts at around $6,000, with higher-end versions going up to $8,500 depending on options like solar panels, dual batteries, and upgraded interiors. In short, the 2026 TrailPod is a game-changer for compact camping and sustainable travel. It brings together the best of e-bike tech, efficient design, and smart functionality in one of the most innovative microcampers we've seen to date. If you've been dreaming of a lightweight, go anywhere, sleep anywhere solution that doesn't compromise on comfort or utility, the TrailPod might just be your next big adventure vehicle. That's it for today's look at the 2026 TrailPod Camper Tricycle. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Would you take one of these on a cross-country adventure? We'd love to hear your take. And remember, for more reviews, walkthroughs, and previews of the coolest camper vehicles and mobile living innovations, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and enjoy the ride.